morning students. Today I will solve question based on the system of linear equations. In my previous lecture I have solved few questions. Let us solve some other questions related to system of linear equations. Question. Let us solve the question based on homogeneous system of linear equation. That means when your right hand side is 0. So solve. Say 2x plus 3y plus 3y plus 4z equal to 0. Say this is your first equation. Then say this is equal to 0 and x minus y plus z equal to say 2 equal to 0. This is your system of homogeneous equations. So solution, the coefficient matrix is solution is given by Ax equal to b, where our A is 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1 and then 1 minus 1, 1, and your x is x, y, z, and the right hand side is your b, which is your 0, 0, 0. Let us find out the rank of the coefficient matrix. So your coefficient matrix is A equal to 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1. Now this is equivalent to, let us change R1 and R2. So we have 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 minus 1, 1. Now R2 minus 2 times of R1 and R3 minus R1 imply 1, 1, 1. So this will be a 0, 3 minus 2 will be 1 and 4 minus 2 will be 2. And this is your 0, minus 1 will be minus 2 and 1 minus 1 will be 0. Okay. Now, so we can see that the rank of this matrix is 3 because we cannot make this term 0, otherwise this will become non-zero. So the rank of this matrix is 3 and we have 3 unknowns. Hence we can say that the rank of the matrix is equal to the number of unknowns. So we have a unique solution and that will be the 0 solution. As rank of A is equal to number of is equal to 3 equal to number of unknowns, number of variables. So we have a unique, and unique means 0 solution in this case. So solution is given by Ax equal to b, where your age, this one 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0 minus 2, 0, and your x is x, y, z, and then your right hand side is 0, 0, 0. So from here we will have x plus y plus z equal to 0, y plus 2z equal to 0, and minus 2 of y equal to 0. So this implies y equal to 0, and hence we have z equal to 0 from here and then x equal to 0 from here. So therefore our x equal to y equal to z equal to 0 is the solution. So therefore x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0 is the solution of this homogeneous system of linear equation. Show that only real value of lambda for which the following system of equation have non-trivial solution is lambda equal to 6 and solve it for lambda equal to 6, and the system of equations is x plus 2y plus 3z equal to lambda x, 2x plus y plus 2z equal to lambda y, and then 2x plus 3y plus z equal to lambda z. So this is our system of equations, and let us prove that the non-trivial solution exists for lambda equal to 6, and we will find out the solution for lambda equal to 6. Solution: let us take this lambda x in the left hand side, so we will have 1 minus lambda. We have 1 minus lambda x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 0, then 2x plus 1 minus lambda y plus 2z equal to 0, then 2x plus 3y plus 1 minus lambda z equal to 0. So this is our homogeneous system of equation. Now it will have a non-trivial solution if the rank of the coefficient matrix is less than the number of unknowns. Here we have 3 unknowns, so that means the rank of A should be less than equal to less than 3. Now if the rank of A is equal to 3, in that case we will have a unique solution, and a unique solution means the trivial solution, the zero solution. So for non-zero solution, rank of the matrix should be less than 3. That means your determinant should be equal to 0. Now for non-trivial solution, rank of the coefficient matrix should be less than 3. So this implies that your determinant should be equal to 0. Now the coefficient matrix is 1 minus lambda, 2, 3, 2, 1 minus lambda, 2, 2, 3, 1 minus lambda. Now determinant of A is equal to 1 minus lambda, 2, 3, 2, 1 minus lambda, 2, 2, 3, 1 minus lambda. Now let us simplify this determinant to find the value of lambda. Let us have the operation R1 plus R2 plus R3 in R1. Now this will be a 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 2, 5, and this is 6. We have some mistake here. I think this 2 will be your 3. Here we have some mistake. I think either this 2 is 3 or this 2 is 3. So I am writing this 2 as 3. So this will be our 3. So this is your 3. Now this operation will give you 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 minus lambda, 3 plus 1, 4, 6 minus lambda, then again 6 minus lambda. Then we have 3, 1 minus lambda, 2, 2, 3, 1 minus lambda. Now let us take 6 minus lambda common from the first row. So this is equal to 6 minus lambda, and then we have 1, 1, 1, 3, 1 minus lambda, 2, 2, 3, 1 minus lambda. Now this is equal to 6 minus lambda. Now your C3 minus C1 and C2 minus C1 implies that 1, 3, 2. Then this minus this will give you 0. 1 minus lambda minus 3. So we have 1 minus lambda minus 3 will be your minus lambda minus 2. Then 3 minus 2 will be 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0, 2 minus 3 will be your minus 1, then this will be your minus 1 minus lambda. So this is your 1 minus lambda into this one. So this is equal to 6 minus lambda. Now let us open this determinant. So this will be your lambda plus 2 into lambda plus 1. Now this minus minus will become plus, so we have this one. So this is equal to 6 minus lambda, then we will have lambda square. From here we have 3 lambda plus 3. Now this bracket do not have any real value. Now because our determinant of A is 0, because determinant of A equal to 0, so either lambda equal to 6 or lambda square plus 3 lambda plus 3 equal to 0. Now from here, now lambda square plus 3 lambda plus 3 equal to 0 implies lambda equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and you clearly see that here we have a minus sign, so we will have an imaginary part. So your lambda is not real. So the only value of lambda for which the system of equation have a non-trivial solution is your lambda equal to 6. This is the only real value of lambda. So therefore lambda equal to 6 is the only real value for which we have a trivial, non-trivial solution. Now we will solve this system of equation for this lambda. Then now this will be your, if you put lambda equal to 6, then this will be minus 5, and if you put lambda equal to 6 here, then this will be again minus 5, and then this is a minus 5. Now let us find out the rank of this matrix, and so this is equivalent to, let us again have the operation R1 plus R2 plus R3 in R1, so this will be your 0, again this is your 0, and this is your 0, then we have 3 minus 5, 2, 2, 3 minus 5. Then interchanging R1 and R3, we have 2, 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5, 2, and 0, 0, 0. Then let us have the operation R2, 2 times R2 minus 3 times R1. So we will have 3, 2, 3 minus 5. So this is your 0. Now this will be your minus 10 and then minus 9. This will be your minus 10 and then this is your minus 9. So we have minus 19 here. Then this will be 4 and this will be plus 15. Plus 4 plus 15. So this is the plus 19. So plus 19 is here. 2 to the 4 plus 15. And then we have 0, 0, 0. Now this is, from here you can see that the rank of the matrix is 2. Therefore, rank of A is 2, which is less than number of variables. So we will have a non-trivial solution. Therefore, solution is given by Ax equal to b, where my A is 2, 3, minus 5, 0, minus 19, plus 19, 0, 0, 0, and your x is x, y, z and equal to 0, means 0, 0, 0. So from here we have 2x plus 3y minus 5z equal to 0, and then minus 19y plus 19 z equal to 0. So from here we have y equal to z. You can see that from here we will have y equal to z. Now let us assume, now we have two equations. One is 2x plus 3y minus 5z equal to 0, and the other is y equal to z. But we have three unknowns. So that means we will have to give 3 minus 2, that means 1. That means we have to give one variable of constant value. So let z equal to k. If z equal to k, then your y will be k, and if your y is k, then from here your 2x will be equal to 5z minus 3y. So this is equal to 5k minus 3k. So this is your 2k, and again your x is k. So therefore x equal to k, y equal to k, and z equal to k is your solution of this system of linear equation. Now as k is arbitrary, so we have infinite solution, and the solution depends on the value of k. Now next question. Determine the value of lambda, or so that find out the value of lambda find the value of lambda for which 2x plus y plus 2z equal to 0, x plus y plus 3z equal to 0, 4x plus 3y plus lambda z equal to 0 have a non-trivial solution, and solve it for this value of lambda. Again, here we have to determine the value of lambda for which the system has a non-trivial solution. That means for the non-trivial solution or non-zero solution, the rank of the matrix will be less than 3. Only then we will have a non-trivial solution or infinite solutions. So solution, your coefficient matrix is, your solution is given by Ax equal to b, where my A is equal to 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, then 4, 3, lambda. Now we have a non-trivial solution. We will have a non-trivial solution if rank of A is less than 3. So that means your determinant of the matrix should be equal to 0. Therefore, your determinant of A is equal to 0. So from here we have 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, lambda is equal to 0. So this determinant has to be equal to 0. Now let us find out the rank of this matrix, and through the rank of matrix let us guess the value of lambda. So consider this matrix 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, lambda. On interchanging R1 and R2, we have 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, lambda. So R2 minus 2 times R1 and R3 minus 4 times R1 implies the first row will be 1, 2, 3. Now this first row is 1, 1, 3. The second row will be 0. Now this minus 2 will be minus 1. 2 minus 4 will be minus 1. 4 minus 4 will be 0. 3 minus 4 will be minus 1. And this will be lambda minus 12. Now your R3 minus R2 implies that, let us cross check it. This is a 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 4, 3 lambda. So we have 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 4, 3 lambda, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3 lambda. So R2 minus 2 time of R1 implies 0. This minus 2 time of this will be your minus 1, 2 minus, okay, here we have a mistake. So this 2 minus 2 times of this will be your 6. So we have 2 minus 6. So this will be your minus 4. Now your R3 minus R2 implies 1, 1, 3, then 0 minus 1 minus 4, and then we will have 0, 0, and this will be your lambda minus 12 plus 4. So we have lambda minus 8. Now the rank of the matrix will be less than 3 if now rank of A is less than 3 if your lambda equal to 8. Therefore, for lambda equal to 8, we have a non-trivial solution. So only this, for this value of lambda, we will have a non-trivial solution, because if lambda equal to 8, then this element will become 0, and then you can see that the rank, the determinant of this matrix will be 0. So that means the rank of A is less than 3. Now let us find out the solution. So if lambda equal to 8, then your age, in that case your A will be 1, 1, 3, 0 minus 1 minus 4, and then 0, 0, 0. So our solution is given by therefore solution is given by Ax equal to B, where your age 1, 1, 3, 0 minus 1 minus 4, 0, 0, 0, your x is x, y, z, and your right hand side 0, 0, 0. So from here we have x plus y plus 3z equal to 0, and then minus y minus 4z equal to 0. So from here we have y equal to 4z. Now if z equal to k, then your y will be 4k, and from here our x will be minus y minus 3z. So your y is minus 4k, so this will become, your y is 4k, so this will be minus 4k, your z is k, so we have 3k. So that means our x is minus 7k. So your x is minus y minus 3z, minus y means minus 4k, and here we have a mistake, your y will be minus 4z. So if your z is k, so your y will be minus 4k, and we have 4k here, and then minus 3k. So this is your k. Therefore, your solution is x equal to k, y equal to minus 4k, and z equal to k. And as k is arbitrary, so we have the infinite solutions, and you can verify this solution. If you put x equal to k here, if you put x equal to k, then this will be your 2k, then you will have minus 4k, so that means minus 2k, and your z is k, so this is again 2k, so it is 0. Then your k minus 4k, so minus 3k, and z is k, so 3k equal to 0. So this is your solution of this problem. Solve x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 equal to 2, 3x1 plus x2 minus 2x3 equal to 1, 4x1 minus 3x2 minus x3 equal to 1, 4x1 minus 3x2 minus x3 equal to 3, and the fourth equation is 2x1 plus 4x2 plus 2x3 equal to 4. So here you can see that we have 4 equations and 3 unknowns. Solution is given by Ax equal to b, where our age is the coefficient matrix, which is your 1, 2, 1, then 3, 1, minus 2, then 4, minus 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, and your x is x, y, z, your b is the right hand side. 2, 1, 3, 4. Now, as the system of equation is non-homogeneous, so your augmented matrix is A, B, which is equal to 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 2, then 4, minus 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, and your right hand side is 2, 1, 3, 4. Now let us find out the rank of this matrix. Now, this is equivalent to, let us apply the operation R2 minus 3 times of R1, R3 minus 4 times of R1, and R4 minus 2 times of R1. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2. Then R2 minus 3 times of R1 will be 0. Now 1 minus 6 will be your minus 5. Then minus 2 minus 1. So we have minus 5. Then 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 is again minus 5. Then the third row, 4 minus 4 will be 0. Then minus 3 minus 8 will be your minus 11. Then we have minus 1 and minus 4, again minus 5. And in the right hand side we have 3 minus 8. So this is your minus 5. And the fourth row is R4 minus 2 times of R1. So this is your 0. And again this is your 0. 2 minus 2 will be 0. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So your rank of the matrix is 3. And it is equal to the number of unknowns. Now let us apply the operation R3. 5 times of R3 minus 11 times of R2. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2. So 0 minus 5 equal to minus 5. And then this will be your, now minus 11 times 5 times of R3 minus 11 times of this will be your 0. Now 5 times of R3, so this will be minus 25. Then we will have plus 55. So this is your 30. And again this is your 30. So as rank of, because rank of AB is same as rank of A equal to 3. And this is equal to the number of unknowns. So we have a unique solution. And it is given by, therefore solution is Ax equal to B. So this is equal to 1, 2, 1, 0 minus 5 minus 5, 0, 0, 30 into x. X is your x1, x2, x3. This is your x1, this is your x2 and x3. So x1, x2, x3 is equal to your B. Means the right hand side, 2 minus 5, 30 and 0. So on solving we will get x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 equal to 2. Then minus 5x2 minus 5 x3 equal to minus 5, and then 30 x3 equal to 30. So your x3 is 1 and your x2 will be 5 minus 5 of x3. So your 5 of x2 will be minus 5 of x3 plus 5. So this is equal to 0 and your x1 will be 2 minus x3. So this is equal to 1. So therefore our x1 is 1, x2 is 0 and x3 is 1. And we can easily verify this solution. If we put x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to 0 and x3 equal to 1, then we will have 2. Then we will have 3x1 minus 2 will be 1, 4 minus 1 will be 3 and 2 plus 2 will be 4. solve or show that minus 2x plus y plus z equal to a, x minus 2y plus z equal to b, x plus y minus 2z equal to c have no solution unless a plus b plus c equal to 0. So we have to prove that it has no solution unless this condition satisfied, and further, in which case they have infinite solutions. In which case they have an infinite solution, and solve it for a equal to 1, b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 2. And then we will have to solve the system of equation for these values of a, b and c. So solution, here we have to prove that, we have to show that there exists no solution unless this condition satisfied. So if this condition is not hold, then there will be no solution. So the solution is given by Ax equal to b. This will be our solution, where our A is equal to minus 2, 1, 1, and then we have 1 minus 2, 1, then finally 1, 1 minus 2. Your x will be x, y, z, and your b is the right hand side. So this is a problem of non-homogeneous system of linear equations. So let us find out the augmented matrix. So your augmented matrix is A comma b equal to, your A is this one, minus 2, 1, 1, 1 minus 2, 1, 1, 1 minus 2, and your b is the right hand side, that means A, B, C. Now let us find out the rank of this matrix, and with the help of rank we will show that there is no solution if A plus B plus C is not equal to 0. Now so let us have the operation R3 equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So that means let us add R1 and R2 in the row R3. So we have minus 2, 1, 1, A, then we will have 1 minus 2, 1, and then this will be a 2 minus 2 will be 0, then this is again 2 minus 2 is 0, third row will be again 0, and here we have A plus B plus C. Again R2, let us interchange R1 and R2. So we have 1 minus 2, 1 B, minus 2, 1, 1 A, 0, 0, 0, A plus B plus C. Although there is no need to interchange these rows, but I am doing because to have a easy calculation. So now R2 plus 2 times of R1 implies 1 minus 2, 1 B. So this is your 0. Now this will be your 1 minus 4. So this is your minus 3. And this plus 2 times of this will be your plus 3. And R2 plus 2 times of R1. So this will be your A plus 2B. R2. This is your R2 plus 2 times of R1. So this is your A plus 2B. Here we have R2 plus 2 times R1 0. R2 plus 2 times of this one will be minus 3. R2 plus 2 times of this one will be 3. And then the last one is A plus B plus C. Now, if a plus b plus c is not equal to 0, then you can see that rank of A is 2, but in that case the rank of A comma b will become 3. So as the rank of A and rank of AB is not equal to 0, is not equal to each other, when A plus B plus C is not equal to 0, so in that case we will not have a solution. That means there is no solution unless this is equal to 0. We will have a solution only when it is equal to 0, because only then the rank of A will be equal to the rank of whole AB. So we have no solution if A plus B plus C is not equal to 0. If A plus B plus C equal to not equal to 0, or we can say that is unless A plus B plus C equal to 0. So unless this sum is equal to 0, we will have no solution. So for the existence of solution, this should be equal to 0. So now we have solution. Now we have solution if A plus B plus C equal to 0, and in this case your rank of A will be equal to rank of AB equal to 2, which is your less than number of variables. So in this case we have infinite solutions. So if rank A equal to rank AB equal to 2, which is less than 3 means the number of unknowns, then we will have a infinite solutions. So we can say that if A plus B plus C equal to 0, then we have infinite solutions. Now the third part of the problem, we have to solve the system for A equal to 1, B equal to 1 and C equal to minus 2. So let us put A equal to 1, B equal to 1 and C equal to minus 2 here. So if A equal to 1, B equal to 1, C equal to minus 2, then your A comma B will be 1 minus 2 1. Now B is your 1, so this is your 1. 0 minus 3 3. A is 1, B is 1, so this is your 3. Then 0 0 0 0. So solution is given by Ax equal to B. So your A is 1 minus 2 1, 0 minus 3 3. This is your A, your X is X, Y, Z, and your B is this part, which is your 1 3 0. So from here we have X minus 2Y plus Z equal to 0. Then we will have is equal to 1, the first equation. Then we have minus 3Y plus 3Z equal to 3. Now we have two equations but three unknowns. So let us put Y equal to K. If Y equal to K, then your 3Z will be 3 plus 3Y is equal to 3 plus 3K. So your Z will be 1 plus K. And from the first equation your X will be equal to 1 plus 2Y minus Z. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 2K, and your Z is minus 1 minus K. So this is equal to K. Therefore X equal to K, Y equal to K, and Z equal to 1 plus K is your solution, is the solution. And we can satisfy this equation. So let us put x equal to k here. So this will be your k minus 2k. This is your plus k. So this will be minus k. And if we put z equal to 1 plus k, then we will have 1 here, and the value of a is 1. So that means this equation is satisfied. Then if we put x equal to k, y equal to k, so we will have minus k. Again z is 1 plus k, so this will be 1, and the value of b is 1. And from here we have k plus k, that means 2k minus 2 times z, so we will have minus 2, and the value of c is minus 2. So that means our system of equation is satisfied for this value of x, y and z. So we have the infinite solution.